How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and today I have the privilege of showing you this beautiful brand new 2025 Sea Ray 190 SPX. This boat is looking sharp in the black hull color with the black rub rail and stainless steel insert. It is sitting on a tandem axle trailer. It is a bimini boat, plenty of protection from the sun, and pushing this boat is a nice, powerful, efficient, quiet Mercury 150. Let's hop up inside real quick. I'll show you the rest. Here in the stern of this 190 SPX, you've got all this space back here on your swim platform that is sea-decked. Makes it really nice, comfortable on the feet. You've got your sun pad here. Perfect place to watch your kids jumping in and out of the water. Really comfortable stern area with tons of storage underneath. In your cockpit seating, you got storage under all the seats. Reversible backrest right here on your co-captain chair. Perfect for some sunset cruising and lounging. Your helm seat, you do have a bolster to get up above that windshield when you want to feel the wind, or you can put it down to be covered by the windshield. You do have a Simrad MFD, a Fusion audio head unit. Steering wheel, switches, and throttle. Right here, you've got a nicely sized glove compartment to lock up your personal items when you're at the dock. And right up here in the bow, you'll see this massive sun pad with removable insert with backrest here. So you've just got a really nice area to lounge up front on this Sea Ray with your speakers, plenty of cushions, just a really nice bow area. That is going to conclude this walkthrough on this 2025 Sea Ray 190 SPX. If you have any questions about this boat, or you'd like to come and see it yourself, this boat is available here at MarineMax Coco, or feel free to give us a call. It's 321-636-3142. Thank you guys. See you next time.